Hey everyone, and welcome back to How to Literally. Today we're going to talk about Fundrise, an online platform that lets you invest in real estate with as little as $10. But is it still worth it in 2025? Fundrise lets you pool your money with other investors to fund real estate projects, covering everything from residential to commercial. You earn returns through quarterly dividends and property appreciation with historically strong returns of 7 to 12% annually. They've expanded beyond traditional real estate too. Now you can also invest in venture funds, private credit, and more. Plus, you can track client returns right on their website. However, your money is tied up for at least 5 years, and while fees are low, they can still impact profits. If you're looking for a hands-off way to diversify and don't mind the long-term commitment, Fundrise is a solid choice. But if you need quick access to your funds, it might not be the best fit.